Alright, welcome to video number 4. This is mount the gear day and flip the airplane back over day. So let's get started. Let's see, that looks good. Okay, our protractor is still at 0. Now, the gear I said was going to be 50 degrees, and 50 degrees is going to be pretty much like that. Let's see what we got. There's 49.7. Okay, so, but I could go as far as that. Well, 49.5. I guess we're going to stick with the 50. I was thinking I might be able to do 45 degrees, but no, we're going to stick with the 50. So I'll go ahead and tighten down that first bolt, and then I'll drill some more holes. Okay, just to show you what's going on behind the spar, I've got 4 of the bolts in with the additional aluminum plates. And because of the strap I have holding up the airplane, I'm going to have to wait until I flip the airplane to do the last 2 holes. So I'm going to move over to the other side and work on that gear. I'll be back. Okay. So we've got our 1 bolt in. Now we're going to set this side to 50 degrees. As you can see, we got 50 degrees. Alright, time to drill some more holes. Flip the airplane. Now my help's here.
Did you tell the wife that's the last of the corn?
No, but I asked her if she had enough, and she said, yeah, probably.
Probably. Well, that's done.
Okay, well, we got plenty.
Yeah. I mean, I'm cutting the stocks down now.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Is that gonna? Yeah.
We'll have to lift it and put the spacer back in there again.
How you gonna do this on a creeper?
Yeah. I got so much to do. I want to get flipped over and get working on the other side. I can do that stuff upside down. I've got holes I can't drill, 2 in each bracket because the straps are in the way. So
That looked pretty good.
yeah, they're on there exactly where they need to be.
Another one go on the back? Or?
No, it's there's going to be a brake line that runs up the back, and then I'll cover it all up with fiberglass filler, and then shape it, and then there'll be 1 layer of fiberglass cloth that goes over the whole thing. So it'll be nice and aerodynamic.
Yeah, you'll probably hit 200 mile an hour. for your
Keep going.
yeah.
All right. And you know what? Whoa. Yeah. Let's get it down because it's kind of precarious up here.
Are you ready?
Yeah. If you want to just work that strap back after I lift it. Okay.
One more.
One more.
Okay, you're about 10 inches above the floor.
Okay. So we'll grab those two little creepers there. And this time, just release it from the back of the workbench over there. All right, are you ready?
Now what are you going to...
I'm just going to come down on the creeper.
He's going to disconnect it on the
Yeah.
end. Okay.
Yeah. Just come down somewhere there in the middle. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Eagle has landed.
Yeah. And that's how you do that. Never getting flipped over again unless I'm in the air inverted. It got nice and clean. All the junk fell out. All right. So we now have a tail dragger. Hopefully there's enough light in here. Certainly looks like it sits a lot lower to the ground than it did before, but I think that's just an optical illusion with the no wheels on it. All right, so got some more bolts to put in, got a few more holes to drill, waiting on some hardware. I might do one more video once I get the wheels mounted and the new brakes on there, just to show it all completed. So that'll finish this one up. Thanks for watching.